In this video, I will show you how you can connect and transfer data from your SD card to your iPad 11 A16. But to do that, you will need a USB Type-C to an SD card reader, since the iPad 11 A16 has a USB Type-C port. As you can see, over here, I have a USB Type-C to a USB hub, and this USB hub has an SD card reader over here. Now to connect it to your iPad, just connect the USB Type-C end to the charging port. And after you do that, a notification will appear on the screen of your iPad. Just select Allow. And after you do that, now just grab your SD card and insert it into the SD card slot. Now after you connect your SD card to your iPad through the USB Type-C to SD card reader, now to copy and paste data from your SD card to your iPad or vice versa, just open the Files app. Now over here in the side menu, you will find the name of your SD card under Locations. Now just tap on it, and over here just select the folder from which you want to copy or paste data. For example, I'll open this folder, and from here just select the photos and videos which you want to copy. For example, I'll select these photos. Now you can either tap on Share and you can share the data directly from your SD card to your iPad, or you can just tap on the three dots over here and you can select Copy Items. Now on your iPad, just select where you want to paste the data. For example, I'll select iCloud Drive, and over here I'll create a folder. I'll name it SD card data. Now just open the folder, then just tap and hold on the empty space in your folder and select Paste. As you can see, we have successfully transferred data from our SD card to our iPad. And you can do the same exact thing if you want to copy data from your iPad to your SD card. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.